Ever stare at an old thrifted shirt and think, can I turn this into fashion history? Spoiler, yes. Welcome to summer thrift flip chaos. Okay, hear me out. It's 92 degrees, you're broke, and fast fashion is literally melting the planet. Enter Thrift Flips, Summer Edition. We're taking pre-loved chaos and turning it into Pinterest core perfection. And no, you don't need a fashion degree, just scissors, a vision, and maybe a glue gun. Summer fashion gets wild, but instead of spending $50 on a crop top you'll wear once, grab that old men's button-down and let's make magic. We're talking low-cost, high-drip. It's sustainable, stylish, and slightly unhinged, just like your ex. First up, that oversized shirt. We're turning it into a two-piece that screams coastal grandma meets Coachella. Cut it, crop it, stitch it vibe. Next, got old jeans? Say hello to your new fav miniskirt. Distress it, fringe it, maybe add a bleach moment if you're feeling spicy. That random scarf from 2010? Boom! Halter top, backless, bold, and shockingly flattering. Bonus points if it makes you feel like you're in an early 2000s music video. And there you have it. 3 chaotic good flips hotter than the summer pavement. Which one are you trying first? Drop A in the comments, hit like if you're sweating but still cute, and subscribe for more unhinged fashion hacks.